my name is Kamal Hafizi bin Zulmi. So, good evening. I will present about my industrial training in Genting, Thailand. So, for company background is we can see that Resort was never had a private company limited by shares, corporate on 7 May 1980 under the Companies Act 1965. So the conversion into a public company in 1989, its name was changed to Resort World Berhad 1989 to 2009 and subsequently determined Berhad in 1989. The resort also features wide-ranging leisure and entertainment facilities, including gaming, theme park, nightclub, casino, and amusement attraction, dining and retail outlets, as well as international show and business convention facilities. Within Skyworld's theme park and Skytopolis theme park, a first-class, world-class theme park is a key attraction in augmented RWG's integrated entertainment lineup. So, here my supervisor data. My supervisor is scientific, department AVL Indoor Theme Park. AVL is pronounced as audio, visual, and lighting. So his position is executive technician. So on week one, we do a testing on LED to find out how many LED that are in good condition to make repairing and servicing, and we also do a troubleshoot for LED problem. And for week 2 is we set up and make a testing audio, lighting, and visual for Moonbani event, which is concert. And we also do a testing, troubleshoot, and repairing lighting bulb. So at the picture, you can see that lighting bulb is problem is because of lens in bulb. The lighting bulb is lighting on menu apa lighting bulb uh, is light up, but we can see that the lighting bulb lens problem. So for weekly task is weekly I make a setup which is camera for live feed for Lucky One is a event. uh, and I operate successfully Genting Malaysia 58th anniversary event. I successfully handling and operate. And thirdly is make a setup and audio test and lighting test at Fuhu restaurant. You can refer to a figure 2 that I set up a mixer and DJ player for audio in Fuhu restaurant. And I also make a maintenance and repairing a sign neon lamp at Fuhu restaurant. At the figure 3, you can see that we as a team is briefing about a 58th anniversary event. And for week 4, I learned how to control lighting, visual, and laser using a suitable software, which is visual is use a Resolume, and LED to control it using a matrix. And for visual, I control with a Resolume, and for light LED lighting, I use a matrix. And for lighting bulb, I control using a Grand MA, and for laser, I using a laser show. So at the figure 2, you can see I make a soldering for LED strip to prevent a different color spot. And I also learn about a general knowledge about operating systems, symphony, uh, 60 channel, DMX channel, and also and make a troubleshooting and preventive maintenance for Sky Symphony motor. I also testing the performance of Sky Symphony lighting using a DMX CAD application. You can see at the figure 3. I use a application, a DMX CAD application to troubleshoot the motor Sky Symphony motor problem. And for week 5, I make a troubleshoot and maintenance using Expose software for LED visual for LED in a casino. So function of Expose is you want to check or troubleshoot whether your LED is problem or the gaming PC is problem. So I also perform a measurement and recording data in Zoom Club at Empire. You can see at the V2 and perform a cloning for master PC for backup original master PC to when the emergency case occur such as blackout, the master PC is cut off and the cloning master PC will operate automatically. And lastly, I make a programming editing content using Gulak to spread the content into the Wonder Wall at the Sky Avenue. So for final week is I dismantle a equipment in the void. You can see at the figure 3. I dismantle metal equipment, stage, and to clear the void. And I also make a setup and testing audio sound, mic check, mic sound check for Sarawak live show event. I testing mic for the equipment, musician equipment. And lastly, I perform a wrapping for equipment which is 100 bag, 100 element and 50 light. That's all from me.